Hi beautiful family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you this only one powerful hair recipe that can help you to grow your hair, solve your many hair problem, thicken up your hair and regrow your hair buzz. And if your hair is slow in growth, you will not like to meet this recipe. And also I'm going to share with you how to apply this on your hair to get best results, and so many other benefits you'll be gotten on using this recipe on your hair. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into today's video. My today recipe is onion. So this is the size of onion I'll be making use of, purple onion. So I will go off camera to peel it off. After peeling it off, I'll wash it thoroughly. After washing it, this is how it is. So I grab my plate and my grater to start grating it. I want to use grater to grate it because of those that don't have blender, so that you don't have any excuse for you not to prepare this recipe, okay? So but if you have blender, also blend it, okay? Just slice it in a little sizable and add a little water on it to blend it, okay? So if you don't have blender, you can also use your grater to grate it, okay? I'm using the small size of the grater, okay? This the most tiny part of the grater. So if you're also doing it, find the most tiny part of the grater of your grating to use it to grate, so that it will come out very smooth and okay. After grating it, this is what I got so far. So I will bring out this plate. Next thing is to use my shifter, my shift cloth to shifter this. So whether you blend yours or you grate it, you really need something that have very tiny hole for you to shifter it, so that onion particles cannot be on your hair. It can be so annoying when this onion particle be on your hair. It will take you very long time for you to rinse it out. So if you don't want that to happen to you, please use something that have very tiny hole to shifter yours, okay? After then, I'll grab my applicator bottle, my spray bottle, to transfer it into my spray bottle for easy application. This recipe is so easy to prepare but very effective. Keep on watching. I will show you how to apply this and the benefit of this onion on your hair. So this is the stage of my hair. I just took down my protective hairstyle and I want to wash my hair. So the first step on how to apply this is to use it as a pre-poo. I just trim off my hair, and my hair is shorter now. I'm looking for a recipe that can help my hair to boost faster, and onion juice is one of those recipes that can help your hair to boost faster in short period of time. Honestly, onion juice is something that you need to incorporate on your hair regimen, especially if you want to grow your hair fast, if you want to treat dandruff, if you want to control hair fall, if you want to regrow your hair buzz. Onion juice is one of your home remedy that you must try, okay? So my focus is my scalp, because hair growth comes from scalp, okay? So I'll spray this on my scalp. After spraying it on my scalp, I'll give myself a gentle scalp massage so that it can penetrate very well into my scalp. And also I'll also spray it on the strands, on my hair strands, okay? So let's talk about the benefits of onion on your hair. Onion can provide extra sulfur to support strong and thick hair, prevents hair loss and promotes hair growth. The sulfur from onion can also help promoting collagen production. Collagen helps the production of healthy skin cell and also grow your hair faster. There is more benefits you'll be gotten on using onion juice on your hair. Onion juice is what you need to incorporate on your hair growth. If you have tried other recipe, they are not working for you, other home recipe, they are not working for you, this onion juice will work for you. 100 guaranteed results. You'll be shocked at the results. Use onion juice on your hair. You will never regret using onion juice on your hair. It will speed up your hair growth, because onion juice contains sulfur, and sulfur is what one of those that help to promote faster hair growth. So using onion juice on your hair, you will never get tired of it, okay? And also I'll be telling you more things and the best way to use this onion juice on your hair. Onion juice, if you cannot stand with smell of this onion juice, you can add essential oil on yours, or you can add ginger on yours also. But I choose to use product that smell horrible and give me a good result than to use product that smell nice but no good result. I don't know, let me know what you think in comment section below. Onion juice is one of those recipes that smell so horrible, but after using it, you're going to see a great result on your hair. If your hair is falling excessively, onion juice will help to control that hair fall. If your hair is thinning, onion juice will help to thicken up your hair. If your hair is dull in growth, onion juice will help to speed up your hair growth. Onion juice also give your hair a natural shiner. Onion juice have a lot of benefits on the hair. I can never mention all of them. Onion juice is so great on recipe, it's so great on your hair growth journey, honestly speaking. So first step on how to use this on your hair, as I'm using it now, I'm using it as a pre-poo. My hair, I just took down my protective hairstyle. So you can use this before you shampoo your hair. Apply it on your hair. After applying it, give yourself a quick scalp massage, a gentle scalp massage. After massaging your scalp, cover up your hair for 1 hour. After 1 hour, go and shampoo your hair and continue with your other wash day routine. Second tip on how you can use this to get best results also. Guys, please, if you're hearing any noise in the background, I'm so sorry about that. Second tip on how you can also get this to get best results in using this onion juice on your hair is to use it after shampooing your hair. Once you shampoo your hair finish, apply this onion juice on your hair, massage your scalp, cover it also for 1 hour. Third step on how you can use this onion juice also to get best results, you can mix it with your deep condition. Apply the onion juice on your hair and follow up with the deep condition on your hair. Deep condition your hair on top of the onion juice. After then, cover up your hair for 5 minutes to an hour, rinse it out and moisturize your hair. Honestly speaking, these 3 powerful way I told you how to use this onion juice. If you use it that way, you will never regret using onion juice. If you have not tried onion juice, please try it, okay? You're going to see a great result on your hair. So using this onion juice, if you are washing your hair every once in a week, use it every once in a week. If you are washing your hair every once in 2 weeks, also use it every once in 2 weeks, okay? You're going to see a great result. In 2 months time, you're going to see a great result on your hair. Honestly speaking, onion juice is the best recipe I have ever come across. I will never get tired of using this recipe on my hair. So if today is your first time stopping by in the channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please join this beautiful family by subscribing, and once you subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so as to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also in this channel, I teach how to grow your hair healthy, longer and fuller with home remedies. Please join this beautiful family. Let's grow our hair together and also grow the channel together. My returning subscribers, you guys are so amazing. Thank you for always come back to watch my videos. I love you guys so much. Please like this video for me, share this video to your family and friends, and also leave a comment in comment section below. Have you used onion juice on your hair before? Are you going to try it? Let me know in comment section below. After applying it on my hair, I have used all the onion juice on my hair. I'm going to use this cellophane nylon to cover up my hair and allow my hair to steam for 1 hour. Whenever you apply onion juice on your hair, make sure that you massage your scalp, okay? It will help to promote the blood flow to your scalp, to help the onion juice to work more effectively. After covering up my hair, I'm going to leave it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, I will remove it and rinse it out and continue with my wash day routine. This will I'll be closing today's video. I hope this video is very helpful to you. Please do not forget to like, share and comment. See you guys in my next video. Remain blessed, Adia. Bye. Mwah.